Good morning, my lovely people. It's Vlogmas day 4, and I'm doing good. I'm doing great. See you guys later. I'm on my way to work. Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm now at work, and I just want to sit down and talk to you guys a bit about why I'm doing YouTube. Now, I am a person who really loves to do art. I love to draw, I love to paint, I love to try new things. And I really want to try new things, but then to me, I think, what's the point of making art if you don't have anyone to share it with? So that is why I created my YouTube page, so I can push to do new things, push to try new things, push to experience new things in art, because art is my passion. In high school, I used to say that um, if there wasn't art, I'm not sure what else would I be doing. So art is my passion, and I really enjoy making art. I really enjoy seeing other people making art. So this is why I created my YouTube channel, so I can share that information with you guys and allow you guys to experience what I'm experiencing, or enjoy what I'm doing, or appreciate what I'm doing a bit more. One more thing, I really appreciate if you like, subscribe, share, comment down below. I know my videos may not be 100% as it. It's not as professional as I would want it. But I really would appreciate if you subscribe and like my videos. If you want to, please do. I'm pushing to send out those vlogs until December 25th. Hit the notification bell, because remember I said every day I'm going to post until the 25th. So hit the notification bell and it will notify you when I post a video. Thank you again. I'm going to go through this day. Today is my exam day, so I'm going to get my papers ready. See you guys later. Bye. Bye, ganja. I'm going. You know, in a corner, we can I just see somebody you got two street in it. But we see somebody I have that with two street, idiot boy. Bad man, from grand family. Mom, they can tell me someone we grew up with you already. Stop checking my mom. Okay, so this is what I got from out the boxes. Some of these works up here can be reused, can be used as examples or demonstrations, or given back to students who have seen who is still on the compound. Empty boxes there. In this box are some painting containers, paint brushes, paints, glue. This pile needs to be rechecked. Sand. In here I found toothbrushes, glue, grease paper, so this is what is going to be thrown away. These students no longer do art, or they left the school, or they don't want these art pieces, so I'll be throwing them away today. This is what the area looks like right now. When it's complete, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Bye, Jaden. it's about after 4 in the afternoon. I'm going to pick up a few things at a clothing store, so follow me. It's now 10 minutes to 7 and I'm going to show you the shopping haul. This video might be late because of time, but it will be posted. Thank you again for watching. Bye. Okay, so this is all that I bought. T-shirt, hat, here, and the pants. That is all that I bought today.